Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host LC, and this is the Super Kids Art Club. Hey guys, it's LC here, and in today's video, we're going to be making some walking ants. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Super Kids Art Club. Okay guys, here's some of the supplies that you're going to need for today's project. Okay, let's get started. Let's grab our red construction paper. Now fold that paper in half. Now take your scissors and cut along the fold of the paper. Now let's fold this part in half. Now cut along the fold of the paper. Now let's fold this part in half. And just like the other pieces, cut the fold in the paper. Now let's grab one of the two pieces and fold the paper in half. And just like the others, cut the fold in the paper. Now we have our three main pieces, the back, the middle, and then the front. Now let's grab our glue so we can put the pieces together. Just throw some glue on it like this, and connect the other end to the glue so you can make a circle, like this. Now we're going to do the same thing to the middle and the front pieces. Let's add some glue, and then connect the other end of the paper to the glue. Now I want the front piece to be a little smaller than the back piece, but a little bigger than the middle piece, so I'm going to cut it a little bit here. So let's get the glue again and add some glue. And now connect the other end of the paper to the glue, and that's the front piece. Now we got all three pieces. Now let's grab our green construction paper, and this is going to be our base. Now let's fold this paper in half. Grab those scissors again and cut along the fold. If ever this video is going too fast, remember, you can pause or rewind whenever you need to. Now I'm just trying to match the base with the size of our ant. Remember guys, none of this has to be perfect. As long as you're having fun, that's all that matters. Okay, I think now I got the size that I want, so now I'm just going to cut the piece out. Just going to place my ant on top of here. It seems a little big, so I'm just going to cut a little bit off. Alright, that looks a little better. Now let's grab our glue and let's glue the pieces to our base. Just use your fingers to push down on the base so the glue can stick. Alright, let's grab our middle piece and do the same thing. Just a little glue. And push it down on the base. Now time for our last piece, which is actually our front piece. And just put a little bit of glue and push it down on the base. And as you can see, the base is a little long. So I'm just gonna grab my scissors and cut that piece off. Looks pretty good. You're doing great guys. Keep it up. Okay, let's grab one of these small pieces. Now fold the paper in half And these are going to be the ant's legs. There's going to be 6 of them, 3 on each side. So I just cut 3 pieces on each side of the fold. Now let's put some glue so we can glue each leg to the base. And just do that until you glued all 6 legs. Now I'm just going to put a bend in each leg. Just fold it towards the center. And do the same to the other side. Now let's fold the ends of each paper like this. Let's take our jumbo craft stick, or our popsicle stick, and we're going to glue that onto the base. Now just put some glue on there, and then push it down on the base. And push it down like this, and it's also pretty good if you let it dry a little while, so that way everything can stick together. Now let's bend the legs one more time, like this, right along the edge, and do that to every one. What's an ant without any eyes? So now it's time to glue those on. Put some glue like this, and stick it to your paper. Alright, now he can see. Next we're going to get our black Sharpie, and we're going to put a smile. There you go, little guy. Look at him with that little smirk. Alright, so the last thing we need are the antennas that go on top of its head. So I'm just going to cut 2 small thin pieces like this. Then fold the bottom like this, and give it a little fold on the top. And let's grab the glue and glue it onto its head. And repeat this step for the other side. Some more glue, and place it right there on his cute little head. And there you go, guys, your very own walking ant. He looks pretty cool. Great job, Super Kid! Remember, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will post a new video every week. See you later, Super Kids!